everybody that clicked on this video, and today I'm talking about objects such as almond water and some other stuff. And I'm not going to talk about everything in the almond water thing because the almond water description on the wiki.dot is fucking huge. It goes over everything, the discovery, the do and don'ts, and some other stuff. Like, there's even a nutrition sticker image on the fucking thing. So yeah, go to the wiki.dot if you want to see everything about almond water. I'm just gonna go over the basic stuff like that. Basically, almond water is like kind of a thing. It can stop the wretch cycle. It can heal you. It can stop you from turning into a wretch. I'm pretty sure I said that already. I don't really care. And there's multiple different colors of almond water bottles that do different things. Gray is simple. You can use it to tame stuff like death moths and Jerry. And there's green, which is more caffeinated, and it can stop. It has symptoms of insomnia and some other stuff. And I think red has to do with something with curing the disease. And blue bottles are something relating to the wretched cycle. And don't drink almond water that's half empty. And don't drink water that's in the shady gray. And don't drink almond water that's in an unexplored level of the back rooms without boiling it. And that's all I'm going to go over. There's a lot more stuff I didn't talk about. And if you wanted to see everything, go to the wiki.dot. I've already said it like 2 times, I think. Object 2 is level keys. Level keys are mysterious objects that possess ability to get access to certain levels through doors. I'd like to mention that level keys are under a rewrite right now, so if you go check out some stuff from the wiki.dot like some other time, level keys might be doing something different. The description is basically level keys are rare objects that can be found across the back rooms, and each key belongs to a certain level of the back rooms. And each key looks like they're made in the 20th century cast iron keys. However, they can look different depending on what level the keys belong to. And there's also stuff like they could open all the levels inside of the level that it belongs to and access to the level it belongs to. And there's also front room keys, and they're going underneath research by the Meg. And there's properties, stuff like they vibrate at some frequency shit, and they vibrate differently depending on how far or close you are, and it always vibrates at the closest and shortest route. And there's front room keys that vibrate incredibly faintly, and there's a theory or some shit like that we're able to crack the code of the keys, and we're able to find a way out of the back rooms, which is currently going underneath extensive research. I did that, and so that one last part was in like one big breath. Level keys used for LPSs, something like that, which stands for level this word system, are broken down into shards, and for more compact storage and minimize use of LPSs produced for level key. However, these shards are unable to open doors, so this backrooms keys are used for this thing called LPS, like the toy brand LPSs, which stands for level postponing system, are broken down into shards and are used for storage, and the shards of the backrooms keys don't work anymore. Okay, I don't know what the fuck is going on there. Like, once again, for like third time, go to the fucking Backrooms Wiki because there's a chance you don't know anything I'm saying, cause I stutter and shit like that, and I go fast, or some shit like that. Small booklets are used in order to triangulate what level you are in. And here are example of basic first 20 levels. Utilize level keys. Find your level location. A dataset is named based on a few amount of keys comprising levels. For example, a dataset name 5K LPS 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 means it supports up to 5 level key shards from level 0 to level 10, etc. Within the collapse below is a step-by-step tutorial scenario on how to effectively use basic 3K LPS 0, 10, 20, find your current level. Go to the wiki if you want to check that out. The most well-known property from level keys, however, the main function of level keys themselves are its ability to open locked doors within its home level, and access from its home level through opening the respective door within the hub. Level keys are unexpectedly linked to their home levels, although what extent we are unsure. When held whilst asleep, level keys occasionally induce strange dreams about many different levels, often random. It is assumed how access denied functions. Access denied in big text that I read. Locations of level keys are only found in their respective levels and are often hidden or hard to find. Usually in a large or infinite levels, they are considered rare items or bartered for a high price amongst minor groups, and every level has their own keys, though how many per level is currently unknown. And I think I'm done with this video. This is the end of the video now. I was going to do an Object 3 Smiler repellent, but it is in revision, and please wait for a file to update. And I'd like to mention that if you wanted a cooking video, because why the fuck not, if you're able to just fucking just say it if you want a cooking video, because I have some recipes anyway, that I'm done.